Hello, and welcome to this drawing tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to add text and notes to the drawing and drawing views. To start, open the drawing attached to this tutorial or continue with the drawing you created in the previous activity. First, navigate to the text section of the ribbon and select the text command. Move the cursor to the bottom left corner of the sheet and click to start the text box. Drag the box down and to the right to create a preview of the box and click to place it. Add a note to the text box. You can add your own text or copy and paste the text from the tutorial. Select Close on the Notes dialog box when you are done adding your text. Next, navigate to the ribbon again to select the Notes command. In the projected view, select the top left hole and pull the cursor up and to the left to see a preview of the leader line. Notice how the type in the Note dialog switched to hole and thread note based on your selection. Click to place the note and notice how the hole information is added automatically. The Note command will still be active, so repeat these steps to add notes to the holes in Section View BB and Detail View C. Next, select the arc that is above the hole in Detail View C and add a note that says to check the minimum thickness of 2 mm. Now you know how to create text and notes in your drawings. Thanks for watching.